In this video, I'm going to talk to you about why I chose real estate for investment over anything else and why you should too. I didn't choose real estate because I thought it was easy. I chose it because it made the most sense. When I got in real estate, I wasn't thinking of a way to get rich quick. And a funny fact, I looked into stocks, day trading, and everything else that's out there on social media and people are talking about. And some of them do work. But I picked real estate because I saw that you can build a future and it's more stable than anything else. So the first reason was because it's real. Real estate is a physical asset. It's something that's actually out there. That's why they call it real estate. It's not based on trends or a CEO making a decision. Yes, there's definitely things that can affect it, but these things are a lot more harder to affect it than it would affect the stock market or anything else. It's not based on speculations. Everybody will always need a place to live, so there's always a need for it. And reason number two is you can increase the value of it. What is trading or what is anything? Is buying cheap and selling high, right? It's buying low and selling high. Real estate, you can actually really control that based on your effort. But stocks, Bitcoin, or whatever out there, you really don't control it. You just buy it and sit like that, you know? I hope it goes up, or you know what? Sammy told me it's gonna go up because Sammy bought 15 of them and my boy told me that it's gonna go up. But real estate, you can buy something that's broken down and leave it better than you found it. And that's controlled appreciation that you can force into real estate. So you can turn problems into profit. And I really only know very few other investments that offer the same exact level of control. Another great reason is it's long-term wealth. You can have your cash somewhere that's appreciating, increasing in value, also cash flowing, and very few other investments, especially here in the States, that have the same cash flow or returns safely like real estate does. It's for sure not fast money, but it is for sure lasting money. So those are some of my top 3 reasons why I select real estate. In all honesty, I have a lot of friends now that are into all different things, and when I sit down with them or talk about problems or market or what's happening, I always appreciate that I'm in real estate. Again, it stays more stable. People always need places to find. I'll tell you, at least AI has not taken it over, right? And you can see there's so much value in it. And once I understood the game of real estate, I liked it more. And that you can use other people's money because there's a real asset to buy it. So it's broken, it's bad. You used other people's money to buy the asset. You did the work, you fixed it. Now it's worth more than the money you had borrowed and the money you put in it. So you can return that money and you have what's left. So you can go sell it, profit that, can refinance, give them the money back, and keep the asset that keeps growing. There's just so many ways you can make money in it. You can just go find these good deals, put it together and sell it for someone. You can partner with someone. And the best place to put your money is, for me, in my opinion, is always gonna be real estate because you control that. Yes, there are things out of your control, but if these things happen, I think at that time, nothing is safe, right? And then real estate corrects itself as well. So in my opinion, these are the things that make me feel real estate is the safest. There's so many ways you can get into real estate, but also one of the best part that makes it is you also do not need money to get into it. I think other investments, you cannot just go there and use your effort, right? You cannot just be like, hey, let me borrow these stocks and bring them back better. But you can do that with real estate. You can borrow money, put it in there and make it better. You can buy it and make it better. A lot of effort goes into it. And if you know me, I would take anything that I can put my own effort in it to make it better, done luck all day long. So I would say if you're willing to learn and stay consistent and handle problems, real estate can completely change your life like it did change mine. So real estate isn't perfect, isn't easy, but it is real, and that's what makes it powerful. And if you have learned anything from this episode, don't forget to subscribe. Leave me down in the comment what's your favorite thing about real estate, and I'll see you all in the next one.